My uncle is a farmer. My uncle is a farmer. He lives on a farm. He lives on a farm. He has many different types of animals. He has many different types of animals. In the barn, there are horses and cows. In the barn, there are horses and cows. The cows swish the flies away from themselves with their tails. It sounds very loud if a cow say moo when you are standing there. The cows eat the grass from my uncle's field. He gets milk from the cow. I put a sandal on one of the horses and went for a ride. Many cats live in my uncle's barn. They are stray cats, but he lets them stay there because they keep the mice away. My uncle feeds the cats. My uncle also has a goose. My uncle said that he would like to get some sheep for his farm. You can get wool from sheep. There are a lot of animals on my uncle's farm. There are a lot of animals on my uncle's farm.